Hello, Julie here with Paisleys and Polka Dots, and I'm here to show you a look at our Vintage Travel Mini Album Kit. This kit is designed using the Simple Vintage Traveler collection from Simple Stories. Inside the kit, you'll receive a set of instructions, and it does have color photos inside for you to easily follow along. You'll also receive a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, a package of bits and pieces. There's 46 pieces in this little package, so lots of little goodies to play with. You'll also receive a package of layered chipboard frames. There's 6 frames in the package. And here is how we package each page. Each one is packaged individually, so there's no confusion as to what pieces go on which page, and all the pieces are pre-cut. Inside the Ziploc bag, you will receive the chipboard piece for that page, along with any of the smaller paper pieces for the front and back side of the page. You'll also have any extra buttons, ribbons, or trims that go on that page. There's 6 pages in the album, so 6 Ziploc bags. Here's a look at the actual album. Here's a look at the front cover. This album is perfect for all types of different travel since it doesn't focus on any one area. So it's perfect for highlighting all of your travel adventures. Lots of fun ribbons. Okay, there you have a look. Thanks for watching.